Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Abbas Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel. PC Mag now mobile logo. Search PC Mag editor, select and review products independently. If you buy through affiliate links, we may earn commissions which help support our testing. Home, how to gaming hardware, gaming systems, Steam Deck 101, everything you need to know about Valve's handheld gaming PC. Steam Deck goes on sale for February 25 and begins shipping 3 days later. Use this helpful guide to determine the model that's best for you and take a deep dive into the system's spaces, expected battery life, and game compatibility by Gabriel Zomra. Updated February 23rd, 2022. Valve Steam Deck is shaping up to by 2022's must on gaming time as it merges PC gaming's flexibility with the handheld gaming security and the valves in the security. Gaming item as it emerges PC gaming's flexibility with handheld gaming's accessibility and portability. After all, who does not want to enjoy their favorite Steam games on the go? With the first batch of Steam Deck pre-orders shipping at the end of the month, you may be wondering how to buy one for yourself. Are you unfamiliar with the Steam Deck and curious about the hype here? We will answer your Steam Deck question. We will start with the basics but add more questions and answers as we test and review the Steam Deck. Valve Steam Deck reviewed. Valve Steam Deck review 4.0 excellent $515 at Amazon. See it. Where can I buy Steam Deck? Not from traditional retailers. Valve intends to partner with the stores as the Steam Deck becomes more readily available, but for the time being you can only buy the handheld directly from Steam. When the handheld is available for purchase on February 25, if you pre-ordered a unit and received a Q1 ship date, your system should ship on February 28. If you received a question 2 or later ship date, don't expect to receive a Steam Deck in coming days. You sure you may get lucky with resellers, but don't hold your breath and you may pay an arm and a leg. The Steam Deck's back pedals. What are the Steam Deck spaces and prices? The Steam Deck comes in 3 models that feature 16 GB of RAM and Zen 2 and RDNA 2 architectures. However, they differ in storage types and storage capacities. The entry-level Steam Deck cost $399 and uses 64 GB eMMC PCIe Gen 2 Internet storage. Considering the size of modern games, this model has rather skimpy storage. It also comes with a handy carrying case. For $52.9, the mid-tier Steam Deck offers more and faster storage. It comes with a 256 GB NVMe SSD PCIe Gen 3 Zerbe 4 as well as an exclusive Steam Community Profile bundle and the aforementioned carrying case. The Pixie Steam Deck options cost $64.9 USD but offers the fastest storage with its 512 GB high speed NVMe SSD PCIe Gen 3 Zerbe 4. This version comes with the premium anti-glare etched glass screen, a unique carrying case, and exclusive virtual keyboard them, and the Steam Community Profile bundle. How can an increase my Steam Deck storage? How can? And it's increased storage. If you write about installing games after reading those storage size valve, got you covered. The Steam Deck incorporates a UHS 1 bus, all slot on the system button that supports SD, SDXC, and SDHC cards. You can nab 12 GB cards on Amazon for less than $30. Steam Deck has auto formatting capabilities, making choosing and using SD a cinch. In addition, you can boot an operating system such as Windows from the world. What's the Steam Deck screen like? Steam Deck has a 7-inch touch screen with a 1280 by 1800 resolution and 16 hours refresh rate. This glass is an optically bound IPS LCD that generates brightness up to 400 nits. Generates brightness up to 400 nits. As mentioned earlier, the high-end 512 GB model has an anti-glare etched screen. What is the Steam Deck's control scheme? Thank you.